jungle of the Amazonas. And I really want to take you guys with me because I think this is a really special trip that we're doing. Just arrived in the lodge. Maybe you can already hear the sounds of the jungle. I've never been inside the jungle like this before, and it's crazy to imagine that we're like in the Amazonas. Our tour guides are going to take us on some trekking and explain a few things about how it is to live inside the jungle. And I'm super excited, and I will just show you guys around this place a little. So where I'm sitting right now is actually the chill out area. So we have some very nice hammocks here, and you can just chill, relax, read a book and listen to the sounds of the jungle. Here we have a few little tiny boats that we're gonna go on a few trips with. Dining area. Billy is sitting over there. He's talking to our tour guide, Kay. So guys, we're having lunch now. We have some rice with beans, some salad, and some chicken. What do you think about this place, Katrina?
Really love it. It's so cool.
It's really nice.
So many animals all around. We're in the middle of the jungle. I have such a great feeling for these days.
Me
our
too.
Guide is amazing. The guys that work here. I think we're really lucky.
Oh
my god!
Wow, es grande. I am positively surprised. I thought it would be less standard, honestly. We have mosquito nets, very important. You can put the curtains open and you have this amazing view, and you don't have to worry about mosquitoes getting inside because you have the nets here. You can vote who looks more prepared for the jungle, Billy or me. So apparently we're going now to swim with the dolphins in the river. So I put my bikini and got ready to get wet. We have one more traveler here, so we have 3 people doing this tour. This is now the Amazonas River. We're looking for the dolphins now.
Make noise. Sometimes they can be resting, so they stay very at the bottom. But when people jumping, make noise. That's like when they come up and try to play.
Just don't turn the boat, please.
Try to not jump.
Okay, I'm going inside the water. Oh my god! Wow, you can stand here.
Yeah.
God, guys, I'm swimming in the Amazon River. I can't believe it. Oh my god. Oh, I thought this is really dangerous. The swimming with the dolphins here is not forced in any way for the animals. We're just going in the water. So we're trying to make some noise to attract the dolphins. So the dolphins decide themselves if they want to come, get to know us and play with us.
I can't believe they're swimming in the Amazon River. It's so cool.
This is crazy. Oh, there's one! I saw one! We are still trying to attract the bottles. We're trying for 10 minutes now. And we can see them like close to us, but not interested in playing right now. Wow guys, there are so many dolphins here. And they are pink!
The gray one looks more like the dolphin than the other.
Ah, yeah.
But the pink.
So unfortunately, the dolphins didn't want to swim with us. We still saw them from so close. They were literally 2-3 meters away from us. Like I'm in a movie here. Wow! Look at this. This is crazy. I am so flashed. It's so crazily beautiful here. Yo, we're walking through the jungle now with our tour guides by night to spot some wildlife. We already saw a few spiders that are poisonous. Let's see what else we're gonna find. Good morning. It's 5:30 and day 2 of our jungle trip. So the night was pretty cool. We did the night walk in the jungle and we saw some massive frogs, poisonous spiders. We saw a scorpion as well. How did you like the night walk?
It was pretty awesome. I like the feeling of being in the woods. For 2 minutes walking, I couldn't find my way back alone.
There are some fishermen here. Wow. Have you ever fished before, did you know? We are fishing piranhas now. See if I will catch something. Wow, you fished the piranhas! Ah, no, go away! But yeah, you can see it. Even though it doesn't seem to be so sharp.
That is small piranha, I think.
That was pretty successful, I would say. We got like 4 piranhas or something, and a few smaller fish.
Let's do it!
Oh, Gio. So there's a hawk. And we left some fish in the boat for them to eat it. He's grabbing one. Now, there he goes. Wow! Gonna head inside the jungle. Oh, the sun is boiling hot right now, but I'm still wearing long sleeve stuff just because I'm making sure that I'm not getting overbitten by mosquitoes here. There's a sloth right there in the tree. You guys can't see it, but it's so cute. The tour guide just said that the sloths can get up to 25 to 30 years old. They actually are the second sleepiest animal in this world after the koala, and the reason for that is that they eat certain leaves that have an ingredient that makes them kind of feeling high.
$115 meters in high, about the sequoia in California.
These are fire ants. Before the independence, people in the Amazon jungle, they were using these trees and the fire ants for like punishment. They took the people that were not behaving properly or did something wrong. They were tying them to the tree for 30 minutes. They have like a really burning feeling if they bite you. So we arrived in the local village. Wow, so they're building the roofs of palm tree leaves. Take the leaves, they dry them first, and then they build these kind of roofs with it. There's a puppy! Oh my god, I love puppies. See the puppy over here? It's a small dog. Oh, 7 people live in this house. This tiny house here is the generator for the power of this small community. For everything here. There are 120 people living in this community, and it's about like 10 minutes by boat up the river from our lodge. Buenas tardes.
Hola, soy Vile.
Soy Ana. Hola.